How to change language in Castle Movie app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Castle Movie app. Make sure you've logged into your account, then click on Me at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in here. After you scroll down, you'll find App Language. Click on it. And at the bottom, you'll find all these options. Simply click on the language you want to change it to, and it will directly change it to that language, as you can see at the bottom. This is how to change language in Castle Movie app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.